Alright, so today we've got this machine. We went and picked it up from a location. It has problems with this right side freezing up in night mode. And then this side, the TXV is completely rusted out. It's got a few other issues, like the wheels are completely seized up. This is why you don't put any metal pipes besides brass on these ice cream machines. So they put this brass adapter onto that black pipe, and when we went to unhook it, it just snapped clean right off, swatted out. Keep in mind, this thing's only 10 years old. That's why you do not put any iron pipe into these machines. Just put a brass adapter right into it. Side note, that's seen better days. That's completely plugged up just about. This thing had no problem with head pressure. It was right where it should be, but that's choked off really bad. I think this right side here also needs new belts. So this is gonna be a fun one. See how far we get into it. I just went out there and brought them an electro-freeze so they can use that while we work on theirs. This is one of the ones with the drawers in it, so should be good. We got the mix. Yep, that's the mix, I think. Yep. So this will be a fun one. Oh yeah, definitely need the door gasket. Time for that. I don't know what all that's about. Let's see what we can do for this Dairy Queen. Make this machine a little bit better for them. Give it a good cleaning, good tune-up, and a new life. All that nasty water just came out of the drain in it. I filled it in this bucket and put it in the freeze, and it just, all that gunk came out. So that's not great. Alright, as a temporary fix, I just shoved this hose back in that hole so I can at least keep this thing refrigerated with all the mix that's in it. And fire it up. So yeah, I just put in the hose into a little floor drain over there. So yeah, let's get this thing freezing. Pressure should come on. There we go. It's phased right. Alright, see how this goes. See if our water's all nasty coming out. No, not too bad. A little bit of a leak there. Yeah, all that's the stuff that came out when I was digging. So the edge of the pipe's still intact, and we can probably unscrew it out of there. So yeah, there's a bit of gunk coming out the other side. One thing at a time, start somewhere. Alright, so I got these two probes here for the left and right side. And I got some cold and hot water here. So we're gonna go in this menu. Go to performance. So we got left temperature and right temperature. So I'm gonna put these in this and let's see what they read. Alright, well that was easy. Cup of cold water there. Put the probes in it. They're all the way down the bottom. Put my phone on it to hold it. And left side 41, right side 60. So that's not gonna work. I switched these at the board in here, and it's the same exact thing. So it's not anything to do with the circuit boards or anything like that. The wiring between the sensor and here, just the sensor's shot. So it's 20 degrees off. So that's easy enough. That'll fix the side freezing up. Alright, so one thing I noticed was this top drawer here was hitting the back of this evaporator pan, and it's just floating there. So there's a couple screws here. So the problem is, see the little pin up there? Well, that's kind of self-explanatory. It's not put back correctly. And then this probe is just dangling down here in the bottom. So that should be secured up there on that little strap. They just never did it right. So let's drop this pan down and secure all this correctly. I mean, seriously, it's not that hard. You just literally push it back right up on those pins and just push it straight up. I mean, why do people do such bad work? It's crazy. Like, just secure the probe and put the screws back in. It's not like this stuff's rocket science. It's just an ice cream machine, but yet people still just do crappy work. It's terrible. I mean, come on, guys. It's not that hard. Just put the pan back on right and secure that probe good. It's not that hard. It takes one zip tie in 2 minutes. New dryer. TXV's going in. Almost there. Alright, well, I got this whole thing back together here. Of course, I wasn't able to make much of a video of it. Got new casters on it, so it actually rolls on the floor now. No more frost buildup around the pad right there where it was doing before. Both the temperatures are reading right where they should now. One probe was just reading off. Got the inside all cleaned up. Clean the coil. Wash all the dust out. Clean all the gunk built up by the compressor. Got that new TXV in it. Got this thing all re-insulated. All the insulation was just falling apart. Got all that fixed up. Got some new belts on it. I back flushed the water cooling system because of all the buildup down there where these fittings were. Those completely rusted shut. So we got new fittings on there that are brass that won't rot. I opened up both the water valves, back flushed it, and it's got so much gunk out. Yeah, I mean, you can see it's really cleaned up. Looks a lot better. Had all mold and everything over there. It's just built up from the years. So, see all the ice cream comes out now. Yeah, there we go. Not bad. Alright, well, that's the job done for this one here. That's our next project. That thing's a whole disaster. But, yep, thought I would share this one. So, alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Clean this thing out, make some ice cream for my friends instead of wasting it. There we go. Get this thing out a bit. Alright, I'm gonna clean this machine. My friends are enjoying their ice cream, so I'm gonna clean them out, put a bucket of water down there, get some rinsed out. Alright, well, this one's done, ready to go back out. See you guys next time.